Hello, so this is my very first video, and in this video I'm opening these Defa Lucy dolls that I got from Shein. This one is my personal fave. I just love her hair. And this one is the second doll that I also like, and I don't think they have names because it doesn't say in the box. This box is damaged, but that's okay. I'm not gonna keep the boxes anyways, and I'm gonna end up destroying this one's box. Their body is articulated, but I can tell that it's on a cheaper side. And I like the shoes too. As you can see, her hair is thickly rooted, and I think the material is saran. I'm not sure, but it's soft. They also have articulation on the knee. And her earrings. I'm not really a fan of the earrings. And I love the face. Now on to the next girl. And I decided just to cut through the plastic this time instead of ripping the box support. I think this one's hair is poly and not saran. Her bangs are not staying down, but She's still thickly rooted, just like the other one. Yeah, as you can see, there's no articulation on this part, but it's soft. It's like jelly. Yeah, I really don't like her hair texture because I really think it's poly. So here they are together. And I'm also gonna rebody them to Made to Move body. So I'm gonna put their heads in hot water just to make it soft and for it to be easy to remove. When I was removing the head, the neck cracked, but that's okay. Ta-da! They're done. And they're wearing my scene shoes temporarily. I'm gonna go look for more clothes for them. And that's all for now. I'm planning to make more doll videos in the future, so I hope you watch out for them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.